guys, so this is part 2 of our cruise vlog, and today we're at Puerto Rico and we just ate breakfast. Vlogging. And so we just ate breakfast and now we are going to meet in the theater with my aunt and uncle, and then we're gonna go take a tour of Puerto Rico.
He had found a whole new continent. So Christopher Columbus came here and he changed the name of the island, okay? Now, originally the name of the island is Borinquen or Boriquen, okay? And if you know a few Puerto Ricans or if you have paid attention to Latin American music, usually you will hear the word Boricua, okay? If you know, pay attention, you probably will. Boricua is like saying I'm a Puerto Rican, because Boricua is the Borinquen, is the original name of the island. Now, before we continue with that, in a few seconds to the left, we're going to see the San Agustin Church, my friends, and this is where The Flying Nun was filmed. The San Agustin Church right here to the left-hand side. The Flying Nun. Right here to the left. Also, a little bit ahead, you're going to see a gas station. You're going to see the Puerto Rico gas price is 81 cents. Right there. 81.
Got frozen yogurt. We're back from the tour at Puerto Rico and we did a little bit of shopping. I got 2 bracelets and right now we're watching the boat take off. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, we're leaving Puerto Rico. Bye, Puerto Rico. Okay guys, so right now we are running late to dinner. And so yeah, we have a reservation for 5:15 every single night at the same restaurant. And we are late. It's like 5:25. So yeah, and it's kind of weird right now because I'm talking into my phone. So that's why I'm talking really quietly and not really looking at my phone because there are people everywhere. So dinner was really good, and now I came back here by myself and I just changed into my bathing suit because there's right by the pool there's Pirates of the Caribbean playing, and I wanted to swim and watch a movie. So yeah, I came here, changed into my bathing suit, and yeah, I'm gonna go watch the movie. So the pool was really great. It turned out that Katie and John also changed into their bathing suits, so it was fun. We didn't really watch a movie, we just kind of played around. And the pools here are actually salt water, so that's why like my eyes are like all red and stuff, and just because it hurt when I got the water in my eyes and not my nose and stuff like that because it's salt water. And yeah, so right now Katie's in the shower. She's rinsing her eyes out because like she had it worse than I did. And then I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna go to sleep. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today is another day at sea. So my mom and sister are at the pool and I slept in. So yeah, I'm gonna meet them up there. Yeah, first I'm going to go to the buffet and get some breakfast. Then I'm probably going to meet them there. So I love when I have the elevator to myself because then I can actually vlog and not look weird. I have breakfast here at the buffet and then we go to the pool. I love fruit so much. I just got a big bowl of fruit.
In the sports bar, and it will be available in the casino and on the big screen on deck 16 at the Miami Beach pool. Let us celebrate as this epic sporting challenge begins. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please check your daily planner. We hope to see you all out and about and enjoy your morning. Thank you.
Okay, so that was an announcement. So I finished eating breakfast, then I went outside to the pool where my family was, and they ran out of sunscreen. So I need to go back to our room. I'm using the wristband thing. I need to go back to our room. I need to go back to our room, and I need to so I got the elevator to myself again. The pool was really good, and then we went to trivia after, and so now we're in here, we're getting ready for dinner. So there was a big deal that was, there were watches for $65 each, but it was 3 for $50. So it came with the watch, a pair of earrings, which I need to get my ears pierced. I'm getting them pierced this summer, and a necklace. So I'm wearing them right now. So this is the necklace. It's a rose gold palm tree, and it has rhinestones. And then here is the watch. And so it's a fancy dinner. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing my hair down. Then I have my palm tree necklace. Then I'm wearing this dress. And then I'm wearing, again, these sandals. Yeah, and on this wrist is just the band that unlocks our door, and I can pay with it and stuff. And then I'm wearing my watch, like I showed you, and an Alex and Annie bracelet, and it's from St. Martin. Yeah. So dinner was really good, and now we are going to have like our photos taken or something like that. So it's 11:25. My phone can't focus on the phone, but it's 11:25, and so now we're going to go to sleep, and then tomorrow we'll be in the Bahamas. Good morning, guys. So today we're pulling into the Bahamas, and this is our last stop. Right now it's like 8:20, and we are going to leave the ship at 9 to go shopping, and then at 11 we have a snorkeling thing. So I'm really excited for that. You're in One Piece? Wait, is it Atlantis?
I don't know. I saw it from one side of the ship.
So right now, we're just walking through the casino. We're not actually doing anything in it. We were exploring the Bahamas. I bought a bracelet, a pair of earrings. I'm getting my ears pierced this summer, and a shirt. And so now we stopped back in the cruise. And right now my sister and I are going to get some gelato because the package my aunt and uncle paid for gets like all the drinks free, all the gelato free, all the ice cream stuff. So we're really taking advantage of the gelato. And yeah, we are going to go snorkeling in about like 40 minutes. So yeah, and there are 3 other cruise ships right by us. One that's right next to us, Carnival Cruise, and some other cruise that is like Empress of the Seas. Yeah, but our cruise is better. I'm so sad. This is our last day on the cruise. Now we're in 16 because 7 didn't have it. Oh my gosh, I'm getting salted toffee. Salted toffee is so good. Oh wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thing got canceled because the boat broke down. So right now we're in a taxi. Yeah. There's 4 rows and John and I are in the very last row. And I think we're going to the beach. We went to the beach and my dad rented some goggles and some snorkels so that we saw some cute fish. And so it was pouring rain and we were just sitting there, or my family was all underneath like the little like shacks that like sell drinks and stuff and umbrellas and stuff. I was just like out in the rain. Yeah, but we got a taxi home. We got a taxi to the ship. So now we're back in our room and we're showering and cleaning up for dinner, and this is our last dinner. So from today I got this tie-dye shirt. Then I also got this bracelet because I have, where are they? I have 2 other ones from the 2 other stops we have. I have this one from St. Martin, and then I have this one from Puerto Rico. So I got this bracelet, and then I got a pair of earrings for when I get my ears pierced, and I really like these. I was in the shower when my family went to trivia, and so they won trivia actually, and they won hats. Anybody have their hat?
Yeah.
They won hats. John. So they won hats, and since I was part of the team and I just didn't make it today, they also gave me one. So it was.
Oh.
Yeah. So right now my brother and I are gonna get more gelato just because we're taking advantage of it, and it's so good. And yeah, right now I'm wearing this romper that I wore for the very first dinner because I changed right out of it and I didn't really get it dirty. I literally wore it for like an hour, 45 minutes. So yeah. I have this on. But one more won't hurt. So right now we're about to go to sleep. It is 10:49, and tomorrow we have to wake up at, Mom, when do we have to wake up tomorrow?
7.
We have to wake up at 7 tomorrow, and yeah, so we're laying in bed watching Cartoon Network, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today we're back in Miami, and I'm so sad. Yeah, we need to be off this boat, out of our room in like 5 minutes. So then we're gonna go down to the buffet, have our last breakfast, then we're gonna go to the airport, and I'm really sad. Miami. So got off the ship, and right now we're in a van, and they're gonna take us to the
So it's
airport.
120, isn't there a tip?
So there's Katie, me, James, and John. At the airport, and we got some food. I got a cheese dog, if I can open it. I got a cheese dog. Now we're in the airplane.
Again, welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. Please make sure that you use the space in front of you for your small carry-on items. That will enable us to get the larger rollable.
Right now we are landing, and it has been a 3-hour